Good morning, students. Today I am here in front of you all with another topic, that is Paralympics and Special Olympics. As you can see, behind both the terms Olympics is mentioned, but they are totally different from each other and different from Olympics. First, we will talk about Paralympics. The International Paralympic Committee runs the Paralympic, whereas Special Olympic International runs Special Olympics. They are completely separate from each other. They both are non-profit organizations. The main difference between them, according to IPC, International Paralympic Committee, the impairment categories of the athletes who are involved in the games, the criteria under which those athletes participate in the games, and the structure of the organizations all differ between both organizations. The Special Olympics are only for athletes with intellectual impairment, and it is according to Special Olympic International. But athletes who compete in the Paralympics can be a part of any one or combination of 6 main disabilities. Secondly, athletes who compete in the Paralympics are elite athletes who have to qualify for the Paralympic Games like Olympics. Anyone over the age of 8 with any ability level can train and compete in the games according to Special Olympics. जहाँ पैरालंपिक्स में पहले क्वालिफाई करना पड़ता है गेम्स के लिए टू मीट द सर्टेन and specific standards, whereas in Special Olympics anyone over the age of 8 years with the ability level can train and compete in the games. Athletes in the Special Olympics are randomly selected to participate. In this slide we will read about Paralympics. Paralympics are run by International Paralympic Committee. Its headquarters are in Bonn, situated at Germany, and it was established on 22nd September 1989. It is a major international multi-sports event for athletes with various disabilities, that is amputation. Amputation होता है किसी भी अंग का कट जाना. It comes under the category of amputation. Blindness, cerebral palsy, it is motor disability, spinal cord injury, intellectual impairment. These games held at the interval of every 4 years following the Olympic Games. Games governed by International Paralympic Committee. First games were held in 1960 at Rome. ऑफिशियली पैरालंपिक वर्ल्ड जो पैरालंपिक वर्ल्ड है वो इंट्रोड्यूस हुआ था 1988 एट शियोल समर ओलंपिक्स. फर्स्ट विंटर ओलंपिक्स जो हुए थे वो 1976 में हुए थे एट स्वीडन. नाउ वी गो विद द ओपनिंग सेरेमनी ऑफ द गेम. ओपनिंग सेरेमनी में फ्लैग होस्टिंग ऑफ द होस्ट कंट्री एंड देयर नेशनल एंथम बिगिंस. उसके बाद ऑल पार्टिसिपेटिंग कंट्रीज come alphabetically in the arena with their national flags, and when they arrive their national anthem begins. At last host country enters the arena. After that cultural program starts and formal opening of the games. At last the Paralympic torch लाई जाती है जो and it passed, सारे एथलीट्स को पास करी जाती है until reaches to the final torch bearer who lights the Paralympic flame. उसके बाद गेम शुरू होते हैं और फिर आती है क्लोजिंग सेरेमनी. क्लोजिंग सेरेमनी के दौरान फ्लैग बियरर फ्रॉम ईच कंट्री एंटर्स द स्टेडियम फॉलोड बाय द एथलीट्स ऑफ देयर कंट्री. पैरालंपिक फ्लैग टेकन डाउन. गेम्स आर ऑफिशियली क्लोज्ड एंड फ्लेम इज extinguished. Here I have mentioned the opening ceremony of the games, flag hosting of host country flag and rendition of its national anthem. After national anthem, the athletes come for march past into the stadium grouped according to their nations. All the nations enter the stadium alphabetically, as I have told you earlier. However, the host country and athletes enter last into the stadium. Closing ceremony I have discussed with you. Now, International Paralympic Committee. It is a global governing body of Paralympic movement. The International Paralympic Committee organizes the Summer and Winter Paralympic Games. It also serves as the International Federation for 9 sports. Its vision is to enable Paralympic athletes to achieve sporting excellence and inspire and excite the world. Headquarters are at Bonn, situated in Germany, and established on 22nd September 1989. Here we come with the award ceremony of Paralympic Games. After every event of Paralympics, medals are presented to the winners as award. उसके बाद जो भी कंप्लीटर्स होते हैं, टीम मेंबर्स होते हैं जो सिक्योर करी होती है जिन्हें फर्स्ट सेकंड थर्ड पोजीशन, दे कम टू द विक्ट्री स्टैंड, awarded the medals और मेडल के समय उनका जो नेशनल फ्लैग होता है वो अनफर्ल्ड एंड होस्टेड एंड देयर नेशनल सॉन्ग ट्यून इज प्लेड. Paralympic motto is Spirit in Motion. It was started in 2004 at Athens Paralympics. इससे पहले जो पैरालंपिक मोटो था 2004 से पहले वो था माइंड बॉडी एंड स्पिरिट. देयर आर द वेरियस कैटेगरीज ऑफ डिसेबिलिटीज. You can go through it. Here is a chart for the year and venues of Paralympics games held so far. Summer Paralympics 1960, 64, 68, 72 until 2028 the chart is scheduled. Total number of games in Paralympics are 28. 22 games are held in Summer Paralympics whereas 6 at Winter Paralympics. This is the list of Summer and Winter Paralympics games which are scheduled by International Paralympic Committee. Now we come with the Special Olympics. It was started by Agnes Kennedy Shriver, sister of John F. Kennedy, the former president of USA, because she believed that equal opportunities should be given to the person with special needs. First Special Olympics were held at 1968 at Chicago. In 1971, US Olympic Committee gave official approval to use the term Olympic behind it. United Nations also declared 1986 as the year of Special Olympics. At 1988, Special Olympics officially organized by International Olympic Committee, that is IOC. Here it is written, which I have told you earlier, that it was held at July 1968 at Chicago. In 1971, US Olympic Committee gave the Special Olympics official approval to use the name Olympics. And United Nations declared 1986 as the year of Special Olympics. And in 1988, Special Olympics were officially organized by IOC. Its symbol is joy and happiness to all the children of the world. The logo is a symbol of growth, confidence and joy among children and adults with disabilities who are learning coordination, mastering skills, participating in competitions and preparing themselves for richer and more productive lives. Here is Special Olympic Flame. The Flame of Hope is the name given to the torch of Special Olympic Flame. This is the chart for year and venue of Special Olympics held so far. This is the chart of the following games and sports which are included under Special Olympics: athletics, badminton, basketball, bowling, cricket, cycling, roller skating, sailing, swimming, pool and open water, table tennis, triathlon, volleyball, etc. Please go through this PPT once more and try to know the difference between Paralympics and Special Olympics. Where are the headquarters of both, and in which year the first games, Paralympics or Special Olympics, held. These are important for you. Thank you. Stay safe, stay at home.